All right, so we've got our basic skeleton of what goes in the, we have a head, we have a body, now we have to put things into the head and into the body in order to have a web page. So let's just take a look at our web page and see what it looks like. Okay, so if we go to student data and we go to the Jameson folder and 2A, and now make sure that it's saved into your folder, because you're going to need the things that you created in the past, and you'll see why in a second. So let's just open up the web page, and what I'd like you to do is I want you to drag your notepad file against one side, and I want you to drag your web page against the other side of the screen so that you can sort of see what's going on at all times. So here you're going to do something on this side, and you're going to come over here and you're going to look at it on this side, and that's the way it works. So when I do something on this side, if I create something, I save it, and then over here I take a look at it, and let's see how that works. Okay, so we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a title. So the title of your web page is going to be your full name. So title, there's the title tag, and just your full name, nothing more, nothing less, your first and last name. This is going to help me know whose page I'm looking at. And don't forget the closing tag. Doesn't matter if you capitalize, you don't capitalize, it doesn't really recognize it. Okay, so now we're going to come over here. First we have to stay over here, and we have to save. Saving is, you can do it this long way by clicking on File and Save, or you can, as you can see right here, you just go Control S. Henceforth, I will just use Control S. I'll tell you when I'm saving, but if I don't save, well, then it won't, nothing will happen if you don't save. But if I do save, you won't see anything. If I hit Control S now, you don't really see anything. There's no changes. So let's go over here. Now we're going to see what happened by putting in title. If you look up here, it tells you the path of where our web page is, and right here it also tells you the same thing. But I want you to watch this tab right here. And I'm going to go over here where it says refresh. It's this circle thing. And again, you can take the time to go click on it, or you can hit the shortcut key, which, as you can see, is F5. So let's try that. So I'll just click on it this time. And again, watch right here. Notice that the name pops up. Okay, and that's going to help me to know that I'm looking at your web page, as I said. All right, now don't freak out when you do this, and don't say, oh, Mr. Jameson, nothing's happened to my page. Well, the only thing that's happened is this. In the head here, it only affects this right here. The other thing it affects is the you can put in meta tags, and meta tags are things that allow web browsers like Google or Bing to find your page. That is, if you're doing, for example, a page about baseball, you'd have keywords like American League, National League, World Series, names of teams and so forth, players, and that way the web browsers would know where to find your pages. But this is basically it.